everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be vlogging, so I hope that you do enjoy. Oh, this is good lighted, isn't it? I hope that you do enjoy. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you know every single time that I upload. And without further ado, let's get on with it. So for breakfast I'm having these white chocolate Cocoa Pops, which I've never had before. I'm so excited to try them. So here they are. They look just like Rice Krispies, but let's try some. I don't like too much milk with my cereal. Does anybody else? Like, I only put a little tiny bit in. They're so good. It looks like it snowed outside. The sun today is so bright. So it's a lot later now. It is about 3:45 and I have done quite a bit. We've been shopping and we got some bits for a barbecue because it is warm outside today. So we've got some stuff for a barbecue, so that is what we are doing tonight. And my hair looks lovely. And I was gonna vlog once we were out, but I was so nervous, so I just didn't. But we went to the butcher's to get some stuff for a barbecue, went to Aldi, went to B&M, and did we go anywhere else? Home Bargains. So I'll just insert a couple of clips because I did film a little bit, but not myself. I got so scared. But yeah, we're having a barbecue tonight, but in the meantime, we bought some garden furniture, so we're gonna try and have a go at putting that up and see how we get on with that. But yeah, that is what we are up to now, or I'm up to now. I also forgot to tell you, I bought this dairy milk bunny and it's got orange mousse in it, so I'm gonna eat this now because I haven't eaten in quite a few hours, so I'm gonna have this now. So we are just about to have our barbecue. So look at the size of this barbecue, it's tiny. Look at this. Look at that. So on it right now we've got some mackerel each. Let me know if you like mackerel on a barbecue. It's our favourite thing. We like mackerel on a barbecue, don't we? Where are you? Hello. So we have just popped some mackerel on. So we've got some chicken, we have got, what have we got? Burgers. Chicken, burgers, sausages. What are those little like stick things? They're like, I don't know, they were like grills, it said on the thing. And then we've got some brioche buns, and then we've got some savoury eggs, coleslaw, bacon and cheese straws. They're my favourite things ever. Look at these. Look at them, so they're like the grill things, so they're like minted lamb. I don't like minted lamb, but they're for my mum. We've got some burgers, they look gorgeous.
I'll put these on first.
Yeah. They look so nice. So it's quite a bit later now, so we've just finished the barbecue literally hours ago, like 2 hours ago maybe. But I'm now just making my lunch for work. So I've gone back to work now. I went back yesterday, which was Monday, so yeah, I'm back in work now. So it's gonna be a little bit harder with YouTube and things like that, but we're gonna get there. I have to see how everything goes. I'm not back full time just yet, but I'm only in 3 days this week, 3 days next week, and then as of the 12th of April, I'll be back full time normal. So that's really exciting. So I'm just making my lunch. I'm just making a salad for tomorrow. We need to get some of this lockdown weight off. So I'm just sorting. I'm just going to make a salad for myself, and then I am going to get ready for bed. I need to edit this vlog so it can be up for you for tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the day that you're watching this. Well, I hope you're watching it on Wednesday. But yeah, I'm gonna make this salad. I will show you it once it's made. And yeah, I'm just frying up some bacon, and I'm just gonna leave it in some kitchen roll so all of the oil gets sort of drained out of it. And yeah, so I will update you once the salad's made. So salad is now made. I have got my, oh, that doesn't look very good, does it? Oh, you can't even see it here. So I've got my Caesar dressing in there, and then I've got some what are these? Pasta, chicken, or some bacon in there somewhere, a little bit here that you can see. Some peppers, some cucumber, and that's it. So that is my lunch for tomorrow made. So I think that's everything I'm going to be doing today. So I haven't really got anything else planned. So yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog here, and I'm going to get into bed and just chill for the rest of the night. So I hope that you did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you know every single time that I upload. And don't forget to follow me and Lauren over on the Stereo app. And yeah, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.